Hello friends, in this video we will discuss asexual reproduction in cyanobacteria. Asexual reproduction in cyanobacteria occurs through non-motile, different type of non-motile spores, because motile structures are absent in cyanobacteria. So here asexual reproduction occurs through non-motile spores, and these non-motile spores are produced directly from vegetative spores. So many different type of spores are produced by cyanobacteria. Let's discuss one by one. First is akinete. Akinetes, these are thick-walled, resting spores with abundant reserve food material in its protoplasm and formed during unfavorable conditions. So these are thick-walled resting spores with abundant reserve food material in its protoplasm, and these are formed during unfavorable condition in most of filamentous blue-green algae or cyanobacteria. Suppose this is a filamentous cyanobacteria. So here in this filamentous cyanobacteria, during unfavorable condition, some cell will reserve abundant food material in its protoplasm and it will secrete additional layers around its cell wall, additional three additional layer around its cell wall. So this is akinete. During unfavorable condition, all these cells will die. The cell that remain viable is akinete because it is thick-walled and it is resistant to drought, heat and cold. So it undergo, during unfavorable condition, it undergo resting period or dormant period. So that is why it is called resting spore. Any spore that undergo dormant period before its germination is called resting spore. That is why it is called resting spore. Okay, when favorable conditions will return, so here it will rest there during unfavorable condition. When favorable condition will return, its cell wall will dissolve, its additional wall layer will dissolve and it will divide to form a simple filament. So this is called akinete. Next one is endospore. So these are spores that are produced inside vegetative cell. Protoplasm of vegetative cell divides and forms many small spores. These spores are called endospores. For example, this is a spore. First, this is a cell, simple cell. First, it will increase in size. So first it will increase in size. Then all of its protoplasm will divide. All of its protoplasm will divide into small cells which act as spore. After liberation, they will germinate and form new individual. So these cells, these endo means inside, spores means spore. So spore that are formed inside vegetative cell are called endospores. endospores. So these spores, first they will, a simple cell, any vegetative cell, it will increase in size, then it will divide its protoplasm into many segments. Each segment, after releasing from this cell, form a new organism. So it is called endospore. Third one is exospore. So exo means outside, spore, spores, asexual reproductive structures. So spores that are formed outside. Suppose this is a cell, the wall of this cell will dissolve from one side and its protoplasm will form spore on the outer side one by one. It will form one spore on outer side, it will liberate and form new organism. Then after this, its protoplasm will form another spore, then it will also liberate and it will form a different organism. So this is called exospore. Here spores are formed exogenously on the exposed part on outer side. So that's why it is called exospore. Next is nanocytes. Nanocyte, nano means small, cyte means spore, or you can say cell. So here a simple vegetative cell will divide its protoplasm into smaller segments, and after liberation each segment will form new organism. So these are smaller cells, that is why it is called nanocyte. So this nanocyte looks pretty similar to endospore, but the difference between nanocyte and endospore is that in case of endospore, first cell will increase in size, then it will divide, then its protoplasm will divide. Here its protoplasm directly will divide without increasing in size, so it is called nanocyte. So these are asexual reproductive spores or reproductive structures in cyanobacteria, that is akinete, thick-walled resting spore, that is mainly found in filamentous blue-green algae, endospores, exospores that are produced exogenously, and nanocytes, small spores that are produced directly by vegetative cell by dividing its protoplasm into small segments.